Let's install RJ45 here. Strip our sleeve off or covering. One twist, that way it doesn't cut in your wires. And I gotta get this string cut. It's driving me nuts. Freaking wires are in my way. All tangled up here. Alright. Try this again. Yeah, pull these wires up out of your way so you can cut this center divider out of it. We'll get these wires separated out, untwist them so we can get them lined out. Just pull on them a few times, it'll take out the twist, the bends in the wire. My son can do this without untwisting the wire all the way. I'm not that talented yet, but he does this every day. He's got some kind of technique where he doesn't have to untwist the wire all the way. So we do white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, and then white, brown, brown. That's how we're going to orientate them for our RJ45. These things are so easy to put in once you've done a few of them. Get it all lined out. Get your RJ45 out. And your little prong thingy should be down to the smooth side up. Slide it in there. Just like that. Make sure you go over them. Make sure they're in the right order. Go back over them. Clip it off. Grab your crimper. Slide it in. Make sure they're not sticking out too far. And tighten. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please hit that like.